is going on, everybody? Terraform Labs has asked that the US SEC fraud allegation be dismissed, allowing Kwon to go free. Now, how does that affect Luna Classic? Well, the reason for this is because of Luna Classic originally. So perhaps a dropping of the case would be good for the overall architecture here. But that is not to be, as the judge has rejected the ruling of Judge Annalisa Torres in the Ripple ruling, saying that, in fact, she is incorrect. And do you want to know what party put this judge in place? Yeah, you guessed it. Democratic Party did this one. So here we go. Price action, 79.67. A little bit of a recovery starting to happen right now, but there was a massive sell-off in all the broad market last night, dropping cryptocurrency prices down dramatically. As you saw, Justin Sun doing massive moves, massive selling, Curve being sold in massive quantities, and OTC buys for Curve. A lot of stuff going on in the background here over the past 24 hours, led by some like Curve, some hacking in the system. So I don't know what today is going to bring. From what I see right here, I told you guys that I think that this breaks to the downside because it doesn't. Look, we'll zoom out just a little bit, and you can see. I said that this downward facing slope is going to probably break to the downside. Of course, it did break to the downside. I don't know that it's going to continue on that path, but for right now, we're looking at this move to the downside. However, the good part is the wick was bought up as quickly as possible, leaving us right there at that 8,000 level. So could be a reversals in the cards. USTC, same thing, but not nearly as affected by it. 50 SMA right here, kind of pushing its way back up on the daily. So I think we're fine. I don't think we're going to see too much downside pressure. And we're also starting to see a pump on BNB, which we haven't seen in a while. As you can see right here, just sideways movement, but we've had a big spike in the last day. So maybe there's a reversal and a turnaround imminent for Asian crypto. So governance proposals, we've got 1163, 11653 has passed. That's the next one up is here. Burn 100% of funds should Prop 11658 pass, which is a return of community funds not used. This one's still kind of sitting out there. We're going to need a couple days to see how that one works out. 79.63 in the overall market, up 20% in volume to 20 million. Market cap sitting at 462 million, still not good. 50 million in USTC price, but it really was sell. 65% of that was selling. So 140 million market cap. And then we have the article here. Terraform Labs must face US SEC fraud allegations. The judge rules. He absolutely rejected the ruling by a U.S. district judge, Annalisa Torres, that ruled that Ripple's sales of XRP cryptocurrency exchanges were not offers of security. Now, this really looks like, in my estimation, a bought and paid for judge who's willing to bend the norms of rules in order to support a political party. So we're gonna be watching this with interest in the United States over the next couple of days. Very interesting that the SEC had this one up their sleeve. Another way to screw retail. But guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Not a lot of news today, so this is not financial advice. My name is BLEEVES. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.